So here we have a platformer. You can run, you can jump, but when we hit walls, we don't stop and we can't slide down the wall. So to implement that, you're going to want to add a raycast. We'll put the raycast at the center of the character. Set this to -5 and this to 0. So this is going to be left raycast, and then we'll duplicate it and we'll make a right raycast. The right raycast will be the opposite. So now if we go back to our code, we're going to add a couple variables. We'll do on ready var, and then we'll add left ray equals left raycast, and we'll do at on ready var right ray equals right raycast. Space there. Okay, and then we'll add a variable to manage the actual input. So we'll do var left ray input equals false, var right ray input equals false. Then we'll add two more variables that will control how jumping while we're on a wall works. So we'll do var jump acceleration equals 0, and we'll do var jump deceleration equals 0.2. So the first thing we're going to do is set up the actual inputs. So we'll do left ray input equals input is action pressed, and we'll put in UI left. And then we'll also check if the ray is colliding at the same time. So we'll do left ray is colliding. And then we will do, we'll copy this whole thing and we will change all of it to right. Right ray, right, and right. Okay, so now we have these set up, and we're going to then go down and in order change things. So we'll make it so the actual scale of the character, which is controlling our left and right, is scaled with the actual direction we should be going. So we'll do if not then left ray input or right ray input, and then we'll have the regular scale there. Then we'll do else, and then this will be when we're actually up against the wall. So we'll want it so that when we're on the floor, we'll face the correct direction, but when we're in the air, we'll face the opposite direction, like we're hugging the wall. So we'll do if is on floor. We will want to apply the same scale as before, else, and then we will do the opposite. So now when we run over to the wall, we'll hit the wall, but we'll face the other direction when we jump. So the part we want to change after that is we want to go here. We want to copy this and put it right next to this. So now when we run into the wall, we will stop walking. So we'll just stand there and idle. The next part is to adjust our animation so that while we're in the air, our animation will switch to the sliding animation. So we'll put it here. And then after this, we'll press tab, and then we'll do else. And then we'll change this animation to be slide. So if I press play now, we'll run over, and while we're up against the wall, we'll slide down. The next part is going to be adjusting the gravity itself. So since we're not doing it while we're on the floor, we can skip this whole portion right here. We just want to focus on here. We can copy this check again. We'll put if, and we'll do that. This will do that, and we'll do else, and then temporarily, if we change this so that it equals 0, we'll be able to run over to the wall, and we'll just stick to it. If you want it so that it functions like that, you can just stop there, but we're going to make it so that there's a change in sliding when we go up against the wall. So what we're going to do is we're going to make it so that this is this plus equals, and it's going to be, or not plus equals, we're just going to do equals, and we're going to do equals, and then we're going to gravity, and then divided by 1.2, and then above this, we're going to make it so that we only slide down when we need to slide down. So we'll do if velocity dot y is greater than 0. So when we're actually sliding down to do this, and then from there we're going to copy this jump function and put it underneath it, and then we're going to change jump offset, jump acceleration. We're going to do equals plus equals negative input dot x times jump speed. So this will make it so that when we are on the wall, we can jump off of it. And then we'll put else, and we just want to apply regular gravity. Or not there. We want to go back one more. And then do gravity. And then, yeah. And then we go down one more line, and we'll do jump acceleration equals lerp f, and then we'll do jump acceleration. We want it to return to 0, and we'll use jump deceleration to control that. And then up here where we have our velocity.x, we're going to put it in parentheses, and then we'll just do plus jump acceleration. Now if we hit play, we should be able to walk over to the wall. We'll stop, we can jump up, but then we'll slide down, and we can jump more going up it. And that's pretty much it.